Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at something called the unitary method. This is really just another way of solving percentage problems. So the unitary method we mostly use when working with really tricky percentages, things like 8% or 27%, that just get really annoying to work with at times. What this method involves us doing is finding what one unit of percentage is worth in any given problem, and then we can multiply this to give us any value we need. So it makes it a lot simpler. Now, when using the unitary method, we first want to find what 1% is worth by dividing the original amount by the original given percentage in the problem, and then we multiply that 1% by the amount that we need. So, looking at this problem here, I've gone out for dinner with my friends. One of my friends paid 11% of the bill, and she's paid $77 in doing so. So 11% was $77, and I would like to pay 25% of the bill. So we're going to find how much I would pay. Now, we know from this problem that 11% is equal to $77. So to get just the one unit of percentage, I'm going to be dividing both sides here by 11. And so now I know that 1% is worth $7. Okay. If I know 1% is worth $7, to get 25%, I can just times both sides by 25. And in this case, I would have $175. Okay, so that's a pretty hefty dinner bill. But if I wanted to pay 25%, I'd be paying $125. Right. Feel free to pause the video and give this one here a go by yourself, but I'll also go through them. Now, if we want to figure out what the full amount of money is of this $48, we're going to start by finding out what 1% is worth. To do so, we're going to divide both sides by 8, which will give me that 1% is worth $6. Then to get my full amount, that's the same as 100%. So I'll multiply both sides by 100, and I would end up with 100% being $600. So that means that the full amount of this money is $600. Now for this second one, we've got a pair of shoes that has already been discounted. Okay, so that's something to really keep an eye out for, is that it's already been discounted by 20%. So they were originally 100%, but now they've been discounted by 20. Okay, and after they've been discounted, that costs $120. So that means that 80% of the original price is $120. I'm going to just divide both of these by 80, and I'll get that 1% is equal to $1.50. And to get the original price, I want 100%, so I'm going to times by 100, which means the original price of these shoes is $1.50 times 100, which is $150.